Nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka is synonymous with a paradise of endless coastal belts, stunning ruins of kingdoms past, and its hidden jewels from centuries before, making it no mystery why Sri Lanka was once affectionately known as Ratnadipa, which translates as the Gem Island. Ceylon Jewellery Manufacturers Private Limited ventured into the trade 15 years ago with a vision to offer sought-after quality and finesse with handmade jewelry. For Ceylon Jewellery Manufacturers, three things remain at the core of their business model: quality, service, and technology. Ceylon Jewellery Manufacturers, a Board of Investment approved company, are primarily manufacturers of high-end gold and platinum jewelry using only the most exclusive diamonds and colored stones sourced from Sri Lanka. They have commanded the attention of a global audience who appreciate distinctly different designs, unwavering quality, and service. Amongst the many factors that Ceylon Jewellery Manufacturers takes pride in, their own manufacturing facility, with a monthly capacity of producing 1,000 pieces of jewelry a month, is the main contributor to its success. Adding to excellence and accolades, they have had the pleasure of receiving the Silver Award for the Best Exporter of Diamond-Studded Jewelry in 2011. And the categories of precious stones in the medium sector. In 2016, the Ceylon Jewellery Manufacturers won the Silver Award for Precious Stones and Jewelry of Medium Scale. In 2017 and 2018, they were the recipients of the Bronze Award. Each piece of jewelry enters a detailed process such as waxing, where a replica of the piece is made out of rubber molds. Casting is the next step of separation of white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, platinum, and palladium. Skilled eyes and technical expertise are demanded at each phase for perfection. Jewelry is then knit together. This is known as assembling or soldering. The next step is setting, which is affixing of each precious stone to reveal its optimal brilliance and capitalize on each glint and sparkle. As a part of its final preparation, each item is polished to gleam to perfection. Manufacturing excellence is at the heart of Ceylon Jewellery manufacturers. From technology to employing skilled designers and thorough customer service. This has paved the way to be leaders in the industry. The journey does not end here. It will be a continual quest to delight clients from around the world, overstepping boundaries to be synonymous for international class handmade jewelry. This is the Ceylon Jewellery manufacturer's promise.